Hey, this is Brett. Some gig workers make more money on YouTube than they'll ever make completing trips on Uber and other apps. Take, for example, Cars and Cribs. This channel brings in more than 400,000 views a month, sharing video reviews and tips for popular gig apps. And here's what all these views mean to the channel's bottom line. If Cars and Cribs gets $6 for every 1,000 views, the channel will make $2,400 per month from YouTube ad revenue alone. Of course, ads aren't the only way YouTubers make money. They get commissions when you buy products through Amazon Associate links or sign up for gig apps with a referral code. In short, every time a link is clicked, it's another opportunity to make money. I share the other ways this channel makes money later on in the video, but if you're already doing gig work, I think starting a YouTube channel could be a smart financial move for you too. This video will teach you how to do it by finding proven video topic ideas with the potential to get 100,000 views or more, the equipment you need to get started, and how you can make money from day one as a gig tuber, or at least as fast as possible. Let me know if you think the gig influencers you watch right now are making more from YouTube than delivering food on gig apps in the comments section below, and let's get right into it. When it comes to making money as a YouTuber, it's all about making videos people want to watch, right? And fortunately, there are lots of people interested in making money on gig apps like Uber, Lyft, and Roadie. But what videos should you make, and what exactly should you be saying in them? Well, here's how I find the topics with the potential to get 100,000 views or more with just one video. The tool I use is socialblade.com. This website is free to use and shares video stats from YouTubers big and small. Here's how I use it. In the YouTube search bar in the upper right hand, enter the channel name you want to look at. I'll type in Cars and Cribs here. Then scroll down, click on the user videos tab. Next, click on the 50 most viewed videos tab. What you'll see here is an ordered list of the most popular videos this YouTuber has ever created. Now let's look deeper and see if we can spot any themes we could use for our own channel. Aha! Take a look at this. 5 out of the top 10 most popular videos are on the exact same theme. These are reviews of different gig apps. Look at this. What is Dispatch? My first time trying this. What is Gomo? What is GoShare? And I think the video titled My First Time Trying Freight Courier fits into this grouping too. Isn't it interesting that Cars and Cribs has uploaded almost 1,000 videos, but 5 out of the top 10 videos, they're basically just reviews of different gig apps. So if you're a gig worker on any of the major apps right now, I'd just simply write down a list of the apps you use and then record a video sharing your experience using each one. Then of course, pay attention to the new gig apps that come out in your area so that you can review them too in the future. I encourage you to check out some of these videos on your own, but all the Cars and Cribs videos, you'll see that they follow a similar structure. They share, how much money you could make on the app, how the app works, what the sign-up process is like, what the requirements are, things like that. Now let's see if we can find some more video ideas with potential. Your Driver Mike is another YouTube channel about gig apps that gets more than 500,000 views a month. So using the same calculation, Your Driver Mike would be making $3,000 per month just from YouTube ads if he averages $6 per 1,000 views. It's very likely he could average more than that too. I think this guy's great at coming up with video ideas, so this is a really good channel to learn from and gather ideas from. Okay, let's look through here. Check out this video theme, how to get the biggest orders on app names. So how to get the biggest orders on DoorDash, Uber Eats. You could easily come up with some interesting variations on this concept, like how to get the biggest tips on Uber Eats or how to get the highest payouts on Lyft. And here are some other video concepts that work well that you could easily make too. Day in the life videos. Show people what it's really like to do these different gig app jobs every day. It might sound weird, but people love watching a day in the life of different careers online. So you can make videos about a day in the life of an Uber driver in New York, a day in the life of a medical courier, or 1 week being an Uber Eats delivery guys. Videos like these have broad appeal and have the potential to get hundreds of thousands, if not more than 1 million views when they really hit. Another type of video that can get you a lot of views, I like to call rants. Be careful not to go too far with this one, but these are videos where YouTubers basically complain about different aspects of gig apps. So you could complain about the low paying apps, bad tippers, your worst ever experience working on a specific app. I haven't done too many of these types of videos personally, but a lot of YouTubers, they blow up with these things. These are just a few video ideas to get you started, but feel free to get creative with your video topics because you never know what is going to resonate with people and end up being the big video for you. Now let's talk about the cheap equipment you can buy that will make your videos a lot better. Personally, I don't think you should invest much right away to get started as a gig tuber. Most of the popular gig tubers, you've seen it, they record videos in their car like this, and you can do the same. The world is your YouTube studio, basically. Now, with that being said, if you've got $100 or $200 to invest in your channel, here's what I'd use for a camera, audio, and other recording equipment. You can find links to the products I mentioned in the resource box below this video too. First, of course, you're gonna need something to record yourself, right? If you have a newer iPhone from the last few years, just use that. I started this channel with an iPhone 13 and I don't regret it at all. The video you're watching right now is being recorded on an iPhone 15. Next is audio. I would invest in a wireless microphone. This will make your voice come through a lot clearer and give your audio a major upgrade. I got started with this wireless microphone from Movo that was about $40 on Amazon.com. This one clips right into your iPhone so you can set up the audio really fast. Just make sure the connections are right for your version of the iPhone. Now, the mic that you can hopefully see right here that I'm using, this is a Rode wireless mic that cost about $300 total. It's definitely better than the Movo, but it's also a lot more expensive, so it just kind of depends how much you want to spend right away. Next, I would buy a mount and a tripod to hold my cell phone while recording the videos. There are tons of options for this, and most are around 20 bucks, so just kind of pick which one you like. And that's all I would buy right away. This is the exact setup I used to start my channel. This is everything you need to start recording videos right away without making things overly complicated when you're starting out. Okay, so at this point, you've got everything you need to start recording videos. You've got some good video topics written down and basic equipment, right? The next step is to figure out how you'll make money as a gig tuber, preferably as soon as you can. Now, what I think is so powerful about building a channel around gig work is that you can get paid while making content for your channel. So as you're out driving to rides or delivering food, you can be recording videos and documenting how much money you made with different trips. If you have downtime where you're waiting for a pickup, you could make that time productive by uploading a video, brainstorming video ideas, etc. Basically, you can turn those unproductive gaps in your day and use them to build an asset for yourself. So here's how I would think about making money as a gig tuber. Just like making layer cake, right? You'll be gradually stacking different income layers in the coming months and years that are gonna make you more money from it. So the first two layers of this cake are the fast money layers, meaning you could start making money from day one with them. So layer number one is gig revenue. This is the money you make from the gig apps. I would think of it this way. You're getting paid to create content for your channel, right? So every time you go out, you collect more money and you collect more content. Then comes layer number two. This is the affiliate and referral income. These are the Amazon associate links and the app referral links you include in the resource box below your videos. You can add these links immediately when you start a channel to start making money. Then the more videos you record, the more opportunities you have to create income. The next income layers of your cake are slower burns. Word of warning, these could take months or even more than a year to really build up for yourself. So layer number three is going to be the YouTube ads. This is what most channels mean when they talk about making money on YouTube, right? So basically YouTube shares some of the advertising money with creators on their platform. To join YouTube's advertising program known as YouTube Partner Program, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel over the past 12 months. That's the basics. This sounds like a lot of hours, but it is possible for anyone to do if they are consistent and you put up videos on topics people are actually interested in, like the ones that I covered before. I've been part of the YouTube Partner Program for more than a year, and it has made between $200 to $500 per month this year, which is, really nice. Now let's add layer number four, sponsorships. I haven't gotten this far yet. YouTubers can get paid sponsorships from companies that are interested in promoting their products to an audience. Typically, this happens once a channel has a significant following or targets a specific niche. If you have a gig work channel, you could start being sponsored by, an Uber or Lyft or other new gig apps that come out in the future. And basically you'll be working with them to promote the new platform. Finally, layer number five of this cake is to build an email list. I'm sure you've seen other YouTubers ask you to join their email list before. And the reason they want you to join the email list is so that they can contact you later and sell you stuff, basically. With an email list, you can recommend more affiliate products, sell more advertising, or tell people when a new video has been released too. You'll notice that I also have an email list you can sign up for in the resource box below this video, where you can get 102 business ideas. Access to the database is free and gives you side hustle ideas with revenue numbers and startup costs for each business. This database includes revenue from profitable solo-founded businesses you might not know about, like parking lot cleaning, towing, junk removal, auto detailing, online businesses, and more. If you're looking for a new business idea this year, sign up below. Haha, see what I did there? What I love about becoming a creator or an influencer who talks about gig work, a very low risk and high upside activity. And what I mean by this is you can start recording videos, putting them online, and you're not risking any money. The only real risk is the time it's going to take you to record and edit these videos. And if one or two of your videos starts to pick up, well, then you could end up with a nice little business on your hands that could eventually turn into your full-time career and definitely has the potential to replace the gig income altogether. Let me know if you plan to build a GigTube empire of your own in the comments below. If not, let me know why not too. I'm a small channel, so I can respond to all legit comments, and we'll see you in the next one.